Hi, it's Roma, and I'm going to talk now about beams. So beams are the horizontal bits of structure that you stand on when you're in a building. And they're quite clever pieces of structure, really. So you stand on them, and if you can imagine, I'm going to use this carrot as a demonstration, that this is a beam being held up by two columns, and then you've got a person standing on it. And what happens is they start to flex and bend. And so we've talked a little bit about what compression is when you're squashing something and what tension is when you're pulling something apart. And what you see in a beam is that you get compression at the top and you get tension at the bottom. So when we're designing beams, we need to think about how to resist that tension at the bottom and that compression at the top. So if I use this rather smaller diameter carrot first, what you'll see is that it's actually quite flexible and it moves quite a lot while I'm doing this. And so if you were standing on a beam that was really slender, you'd feel it kind of sink underneath you, and ultimately it would snap. Now if I had a much deeper beam, a more stiff beam, I'm going to try now and bend this, and what I'm finding is that actually I'm putting quite a lot of force in and it's not moving very much. That's going to be quite a stiff beam. And again, if I kind of push hard enough, I could probably make that snap too, but this is a nice strong beam, and that's the kind of beam that we want to put into our structures.